Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you couldn't tell, we were lucky enough to move on in the NYX Face Awards, you guys. We are in the top 15 MCCREWWWW. We did it. Thank you guys so much to everyone who took the time to vote, to support, to share my video. It does not go unnoticed. This is all because of you guys. And sincerely, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for helping us move on. I am so excited for the next challenge, but before we move on to that video, we have to do our unboxing of the top 15 NYX Face Awards box. So I don't want this video to be too long for you guys, so let's go ahead and jump right on into it. The first thing we got are some cards encased in this black baggie, which they did in the last package. So let's see. Congratulations on earning a spot in the top 15 from Target. Thank you so much, Target. Congratulations. Your outstanding creativity and artistry earned you a spot. We can't wait to see you in the second challenge. That's super exciting. Thank you so much to NYX Professional Makeup. And lastly, we've got our clue for the next challenge. Reach for the stars, push your imagination beyond the limit. So I'm anticipating uploading this video before tomorrow, which is a Monday, the day that the challenge is announced. But in the case that I don't, please leave down in the comments below what you guys think the next challenge could be. It could definitely be something galaxy or space themed. It could be something to do with inspiration. I thought I knew the last one, but I'm not going to be too confident with this one and just wait to see what they announce on Monday, but super excited to see. So again, like last time, everything is packaged into individual envelopes going by face, eyes, lips, specialty, and tools, and there's a little goodie in the back here that we will open up at the end. But I think I'm going to start off with face and work my way through. So the first baggie we have here is face. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. So the first thing I've selected out of the face package is the I Love You So Mochi highlighting palettes. There's two of them in here, and they both have really great color stories. One's a little lighter than the other. Let's go ahead and swatch a few. As you can see, super pretty and holographic. They really catch the light. The next thing in the package are the Sweet Cheeks Matte Creamy Powder Blush. I believe in the first box we got them, but the shimmery version, don't quote me on that, I could be completely wrong. But these are all matte blushes. They sent along 5 different shades. This one I opened up here is just a super pretty pink one. So you always need blush in your looks, in my opinion, so hopefully I'll get to use these in the upcoming challenge. The next thing we have in this face box are the NYX Professional Makeup Holographic Halo Finishing Powders. If you guys can see, it's like a loose powder, but it does have some shimmer on the edge of my hand. Super pretty. It has like a blue shift to it, which is amazing. The next thing we were sent along is the NYX Professional Makeup Can't Stop Won't Stop Setting Powder, and this is in the shade Banana, which will be great for the under eyes. On the inside, it just has a little sifter, but as you can see on the side here, the color is like a yellow banana color. So we were sent a color correcting palette in the first challenge, but in this challenge they sent along the Conceal Correct Contour palettes. We were sent the shade Deep and Light, with a bunch of different shades in them, perfect for correcting and covering blemishes, anything like that, or cream contouring, of course. The next thing we were sent is the NYX Professional Makeup Away We Go Liquid Highlighters. I was sent 4 shades. This is the shade that really sticks out to me. It's super light and bright. This is the shade Liquid Prism. I just swatched it right here. If you guys can see, it's super blinding and bright. The next thing we have are some primers and setting sprays. I was sent the Shine Killer, which is great because I get oily a lot, so this will definitely be handy in the T-zone. The NYX Professional Makeup Angel Veil, this is a classic. And the last thing they sent along is the NYX Professional Makeup Dewy Finish. So the next big envelope we have in the box is another face one, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up and see what we got. Okay, so in this packet, once again, NYX has done it again, being super generous and gracious with foundations. Last time it was the Can't Stop Won't Stop. This time it's the NYX Professional Makeup Total Control Drop Foundation. I bought one of these when it first came out, and my cat knocked it off of my vanity, and I never got to officially try it out. I was so devastated. I am so excited to finally get the chance to try this stuff out. Basically, the idea is the more drops you add, the more coverage it is. So the next packet I've picked out is the tools packet, so I'm really excited to see what we were sent along for our tools. So inside, the first thing that caught my eye was this little guy. This is a brush cleaner. You can basically just slip your fingers into the little handle right here and clean your brushes in the sink or wherever you do it, which is super handy to have. I've been washing a ton of brushes lately. The next thing we have are some eyelash curlers, always super handy to have to give you that extra volume and lift for your lashes. Lastly, we were sent some new brushes. These are like really pretty holographic, iridescent almost brushes. They look silver, but when you shine them under the right light, they have like a purple, blue, pink shift to them, which is super awesome. I don't have anything like this in my collection. The next packet that's caught my eye is the lips packet, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and see what we've got. This feels like a heavy one. Alright, so we've got a wide range of lip products to talk about now. We got sent a few of the NYX Professional Makeup Lingerie Push Up Long Lasting Lipsticks. Taking off the top, they kind of have sort of like a crayon type top that kind of can roll up or down depending on how much you use or need. The next thing we were sent were a few of the NYX Professional Makeup Suede Matte Lipsticks. These are just in a lipstick tube, and also the packaging is super cute. It has a little heart right here, which I love little details like that. The next thing we were sent were some lip pencils. These are the NYX Professional Makeup Suede Matte Lip Liners, a brown shade, a deep plum shade, and a nude. The next thing in the package, they included a few of the NYX Liquid Slade Cream Lipsticks, the NYX Professional Makeup Duo Chromatic Shimmer Lip Gloss. When you take a look at these, they have some stunning shimmer quality to them, which is super exciting. This will be great for topping off the lips. The next thing we were sent in the lip care package is the hashtag This Is Everything NYX Professional Makeup Lip Oil, the NYX Professional Makeup Soft Matte Metallic Lip Cream. So these are like the soft matte lip creams we were sent in the original package, but these are supposedly having a metallic finish. And finally, the last product in the lip care package we were sent is the NYX Professional Makeup Butter Gloss. These are some of my absolute favorite glosses. The butter gloss has an amazing creamy formula. So we've got a pretty heavy specialty package next to open up, so let's go ahead and see what's inside here. So the first thing we've got is this brush belt. It kind of has like a snakeskin pattern on it, and it has this really nice strap that goes around it to hold your brushes into place. These are great for traveling, or if you just want to keep aside any of your special brushes like your NYX Professional Makeup brushes. The next thing we've got is the NYX Professional Makeup Glitter Goals Palette. There's a ton of shades in here, which is awesome. I went ahead and swatched one of the shades on the back for you guys. This is one of the green shades. It has really nice payoff. The next thing that caught my eye was the NYX Professional Makeup Glitter Primer. I talked about this in my last unboxing video, that this is literally the only primer I use for any sort of glitter on my eyes, my face, anything. So the next thing we were sent in our package is the NYX Professional Makeup Glitter Brilliance, which are basically just loose glitters. I already have a few of these in my collection. I think that these are some of the best glitters you can get. The next thing that caught my eye in the package is the NYX Professional Makeup Foil Play Cream Eyeshadows. I've never gotten to play around with these before, but these are amazing. They reflect the light so well. And the last product in the package are the NYX Professional Makeup Vivid Brights. I'm a fan of the Vivid Brights liquid liners, and these are the kind of the potted version, I would say. These are super pigmented and they have so many colors to choose from, so I'm super excited to have more of these in my collection to play around with. And the last packet we have in the box is the eyes packet. This one is pretty big, so I'm excited to see what they sent along, so let's go ahead and open it up. Alright guys, so this eyes packet is a big one, so let's try to get through this without taking way too long. The first thing right off the back they sent is the Worth the Hype mascara. They sent the black one along with a blue and a purple, which is going to be really fun to play around with. The next thing they sent along is a few of the NYX Professional Makeup Jumbo Eye Pencils in the shade Pure Gold, Purple Velvet, Black Bean, and Cottage Cheese. Next thing you've got is a few of the NYX Professional Makeup eye pencils. You've got the shade Silver, Bronze Shimmer, Emerald City, Sapphire, and Purple Violet. A few different liquid liners. I absolutely love the NYX Professional Makeup White Liquid Liner. I use this for a ton of detail work in my looks. It never does me wrong. The NYX Professional Makeup Glitter Goals Eyeliner in the shade Zodiac Queen, which is kind of like a golden glitter eyeliner, which is going to be kind of fun to play around with. I've never used this before. And we've got some of my favorites here, the NYX Professional Makeup Vivid Brights in the shades Vivid Envy, Vivid Violet, and Vivid Fire. Next thing we got are a ton of the Can't Stop Won't Stop Longwear Brow Kits in a ton of different shades for eyebrows. This is really interesting. I've never seen anything like this before, so I'm intrigued for sure. Proof It Waterproof Eyeshadow Primer. I could definitely use this, so I'm definitely going to have to put this to the test and play around with this. The next thing we've got is the NYX Professional Professional Makeup Tinted Brow Mascara. So I'm guessing kind of like a brow gel sort of deal. On the back of the box, it shows some really prominent results. Naturally, I'm someone with very light eyebrows, so products like these are definitely a must for me. Next thing we've got me super interested and intrigued. These are the NYX Professional Makeup Glazed in Infused, and upon further researching, it gives you that glossy eye look. It's a little bit more editorial, but I am in love with that look, so these are super exciting. The Mystic Petals shadow palettes, we've got two of them here. One in the shade Midnight Orchid and one in the shade Dark Mystic. Next thing we've got is a product called the NYX Professional Makeup Holographic Halo Cream Eyeliner. I have never seen these before, but they have me super intrigued. They sent along a bunch of different colors of these, and I'm guessing it's just like, as the name says, holographic eyeliner. They come in little pots like this, and as you can see, they're really reflective and shimmery. And the last thing we've got in the eyes packet are some of the NYX Professional Makeup Ultimate Shadow Palettes. We've got the one in Brights, Ash, and Phoenix. So really great colors in here. So the last thing we've got inside of the NYX Face Awards box for the top 15 is this super exciting train case. It's very heavy duty. When you open it up, there's a ton of slots in here. It comes with a key as well if you want to lock up your makeup, if you don't trust people, you don't want anyone snatching your brushes. There you go, no one can. So next time I'm traveling, this will definitely be coming with me. Alright guys, and with that, that is the end of my top 15 NYX Face Awards unboxing. I really hope you guys enjoyed going through this box with me. I am super overwhelmed and grateful for all the amazing products NYX Professional Makeup and the sponsors sent through. I cannot thank them enough for all the products and this incredible opportunity to be competing alongside so many incredible, talented artists. If you guys want to keep up with me on my NYX Face Awards journey, you can follow me on my social media, McDrew on Instagram and _McDrew on Twitter. I've been talking about it non-stop. Just look at my Instagram story right now. There's probably something NYX Face Awards related on it right now. I just want to say a huge thank you to all of you guys who have been supporting me, voting for me, helping me get through to the next round. I would not have been able to do it without each and every one of you, and I really hope to make you guys proud in the upcoming challenge. I'm not going to keep talking your ear off. Thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!